Hey guys, so I just came out of the room about an hour ago with a patient who just started care in our office. She was coming in for neck, shoulder pain, and some menstrual issues. She's about 35 years old and she's had these problems for a few years. And we did the treatment. She had some pain when she came in for the treatment. It was about 6 out of 10 in pain. So when I started the treatment, the pain after about 2 minutes was about a 2 out of 6. And then maybe about 10 minutes afterwards, it was about a 1 out of 6. So within 12 minutes, her pain decreased from a level of 6 almost to nothing. And she was skeptical. Of course, when people walk in this office, there's always skepticism about how this all works. And I get that. And so she said, well, maybe that was just placebo and maybe that was just in my head. And she goes, it may have something to do with what I did. So I asked her a simple question. Do you believe if you were to stab somebody with a knife or anything sharp, do you think that would have some sort of an effect? And she giggled and she goes, of course. So I said, so if I stab you with a knife in your stomach, would that have an effect? For sure. Yes, I completely agree for sure. So what happens is if I were to stab you in the gut with a knife, how would your body respond? Well, when you take it out, you'd bleed a little bit there, and part of your brain would try to repair that stab wound, sending emergency messages to that part of your brain saying repair, repair. And so your brain would be sending these clotting and messages of healing to that part of your body to heal it. So we agree that stabbing somebody does do something. Well, in acupuncture, I'm also stabbing you. It's much smaller than a knife though, the size of a piece of hair, but I am stabbing you. And your brain's doing the same, just if you were to have a big knife stabbing you. It's sending emergency signals to repair that stab wound wherever I put the needle in. And so there's no doubt about it, when you stab somebody, it does do something. Whether you believe it's helping you or not, it is definitely doing something. Would you all agree with that? I'm sure you all would who's watching this.